Hello everyone, so this is the summary of the play The Winter's Tale by William Shakespeare. The Winter's Tale is one of the problem play written by Shakespeare and published in the first folio in 1623. The source of this play is a pastoral romance Pandosto by Robert Greene published in 1588. The setting of this play is Sicilia. Important quotes from the play are I speak as my understanding instructs me and as my honesty puts it to utterance. The silence often of pure innocence persuades when speaking fails. So these are the main characters. Leontes is the king of Sicily. He is a childhood friend of Bohemia king Polyxenes. Suspects his wife's affair with Polyxenes. Hermione is the wife of Leontes. Polyxenes is a king of Bohemia. He is Leontes' childhood friend. Perdita is daughter of Leontes and Hermione, and she loves Florizel. Florizel is Polyxenes' only son, and he loves Perdita. Paulina is a noblewoman who defends Hermione when she is falsely accused of being an adulteress. Antigonus is Paulina's husband. Mamelius is the son of Leontes and Hermione who dies when his mother is in the prison. Now I am going to tell you the story. So, when the play opens, we see that Polyxenes, king of Bohemia, visits his friend Leontes, king of Sicily. Leontes requests him to stay for some more time, but Polyxenes is restless and unwilling to stay back and he wants to return to Bohemia. But what happens next? But when Leontes' wife Hermione requests him to stay, he agrees. And now Leontes suspects that his wife has an affair with Polyxenes, and he also thinks that his wife is pregnant of Polyxenes' child. Although he doesn't have any proof to prove that his wife is adulterous, but he gets consumed by his suspicions. And what he does next, he asks his lord Camillo to give poison to Polyxenes. But Camillo is a good man and he knows that whatever Leontes is doing is wrong and his suspicions are false. So what actually Camillo does, he warns Polyxenes about Leontes' plan of killing him and they both escape from there. So in the next episode, we get to know that Leontes throws his wife into prison, okay, suspecting that she has an adulterous affair with Polyxenes, where the queen gives birth to a daughter, okay. But king is not ready to accept her as he thinks that she is an illegitimate child of his friend Polyxenes. And now what happens? Leontes orders his attendant Antigonus to leave his infant daughter in the forest. And the king is even not moved by Delphi's oracle announcing Hermione's innocence. So in the next episode, we get to know that Leontes' son Mamilus dies in the absence of his mother. And when Queen comes to know about her son's death, she also dies. Antigonus now sees a dream in which in which he is instructed by Hermione to leave her daughter on a Bohemia beach, and he obeys her. Okay, and leaves Perdita at the beach. But when he is coming back, he is killed by a bear. Now, what happens next? A shepherd finds this girl and takes her with him, and she is named as Perdita. Now, Perdita spends around 16 years with shepherds. In the next episode, we get to know that Leontes is now feeling guilty and is repenting over his actions. And then we get to know that Perdita and Polyxenes' son Florizel fall in love with each other. Okay, and when Polyxenes comes to know about this love affair, he is upset and disappointed because he doesn't want his son to marry below his social status. Camillo helps Perdita and Florizel, okay, in this love affair, and they together reach to Sicily where they are welcomed by the king Leontes, who is happy to see his friend's son and his fiancée. So what happens next? Now shepherds also reach there, and the true identity of Perdita gets revealed before the king, and he accepts his daughter. And now Polyxenes also reaches there, and after knowing the truth, he also forgives his son and gives permission for the marriage of, Perdita and Florizel. And now in the next episode, we get to know that Paulina announces the arrival of Queen Hermione's statue, and all are surprised to see that this statue looks very real, okay, and lifelike. And then what happens? This statue actually turns out to be the queen herself, Okay, Hermione. This statue comes to life and this statue becomes the queen. Now King Leontes and Hermione are united. Both friends are reconciled with each other and they forgive each other. Florizel and Perdita marry and play ends on a happy note.